Hi, this video is about powers. It's called the rules of indices. If you already know that 5 squared means 5 times 5, and 5 to the power of 4 means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, that means 5 squared times 5 to the power of 4 is this times this. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So that's the same as 5 to the power of 6. You won't be asked to work that out without the use of a calculator. What we need to do is decide how do we get these two numbers to get this one. Well, it's simple, you just add them because you've got 2 there, 4 there, altogether 6. So if you've got 3, 5 times 3 to the power of 2, you've got 5 and 2 makes 7, so 3 to the power of 7. That can be written as a general form algebraically. X to the power of m times x to the power of n is the same as x to the power of these two numbers added together. Now this here is called the index, or indices, or power, and this here is called the base. If you notice, they need to have the same base number. Now this carries on with all ones, so if you've got things like 4x cubed times 3x squared, what you need to do is think about BODMAS, or the way these break up, and you can rearrange it. So 4 times 3 times x cubed times x to the power of 2. This can be done normally, which is 12, and then this uses the index laws, which is x to the power of 5. If you're dividing, same idea. If you've got x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2, you've got x to the power of 3. Because x to the power of 3 times x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 5, x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 3. Again, what do we do? Oh, let's take away. So x to the power of 7 divided by x to the power of 2 is x to the power of 7 take away 2, which is 5. If we have numbers, you then have to do it differently. So if you've got 12 x to the power of 5 divided by 3x squared, well, we can do 12 divided by 3, it's 4, and we do x to the power of 5 divided by x squared, it's x cubed. The next thing is if you've got combined powers. So if you've got x squared cubed, we know that means the same as x squared times x squared times x squared. It means the same thing. This, we add the powers to get x to the power of 6. So how do we get from here to here? The quick way is to multiply. So x to the power of 5 to the power of 3 is not x to the power of 8, it's 5 3 times. So it's x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 5 times x to the power of 5, which is x to the power of 5 times 3, 15. The only time that gets slightly more complicated is if we look at something like 3x squared cubed. Now what we've got here is 3x squared times 3x squared times 3x squared. X squared times x squared times x squared is x to the power of 6. 3 times 3 times 3 is not 9, it's 27. Finished. So how can we get there quickly? Well, the quick way of doing it is you've got 3 cubed, and then you've got x squared cubed. So 3 cubed, 27, and x squared cubed is times them together, x to the power of 6. All done. Now that's summarised all the rules you need for index laws. Okay, so anything you get now, you should be able to go back, watch this video, and try and work out all the rules. I hope this is helpful for you.